The 2020 Nissan Altima key fob uses a CR2032 battery. First, locate the small slot on the fob's back or side. Insert a small, flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Once open, identify the CR2032 battery. It's usually positioned with the positive plus side facing up. Use the tool to carefully pop out the old battery, being mindful not to damage any internal components. Now that the old battery is removed, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up to match the markings inside the fob. Double-check the battery is correctly seated in the compartment. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they are firmly closed. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to confirm it's working. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure there's no debris obstructing the contacts. Properly dispose of the old battery according to local environmental guidelines.